And our next question is also by Anonymous. Oh, yes, a lot. You've mentioned some of the large English literature works that you have read. Does the fact that you have ADD affect you in this regard? I'm sorry, what was the question? I'll tell you the truth. The ADD does not affect me as much as the dyslexia. And it's only because I really enjoyed reading that I was able to more or less master my dyslexia as a kid in English. In Hebrew, it's still, because it goes in the other direction, it just really messes with my brain. But I forced myself to read. But I would get to the bottom of a page and completely forgot what I read. That was ADD. And I have to go back and read it again, and sometimes I have to do it a couple of times. So I was highly motivated because I really enjoyed books. I enjoyed them. So for me to be able to get through it was very hard. When I finally mastered it in Hebrew, and master is a long term, I wouldn't say I've mastered it, but I can at least manage. I mean, I give a daf yomi shiur now, and I have to prepare a lot of Aramaic, which goes in the wrong direction. And it's not unusual for me to get halfway down the daf and completely forget what I saw. I have to go back and read it again. And I met a fellow who was a Rosh Kollel, and he said to me once, he goes, "You're complaining about your ADD." He goes, "I had ADHD." He says, "We were the kids who got beaten because we were bouncing off the walls. They would just sit in the back of the classroom and you go, He says, "Well, we got into real trouble." So he says, so reading for me is very hard. So when I'm saying over a Rashba, I have a tremendous advantage over everybody else because they read it 1 or 2 times and I had to read it 20 or 30 times to get it down because of my disabilities. So that gave me a leg up in the understanding. Until next time, I am Dovid Orlofsky, and this has been the Rabbi Orlofsky Show.
It's the Rabbi Orlofsky Show. Torah and Simcha, ready to go. The Rabbi Orlofsky Show. Knowledge and wisdom will help you grow. Lots of fun in every episode. And we don't have to rhyme. No, we don't. It's the Rabbi Orlofsky Show on RabbiOrlofsky.com. Torah, anytime, YouTube and more. It's the Rabbi Orlofsky Show. Torah and Simcha, ready to go. It's the Rabbi Orlofsky Show. Till next time, till we meet again. It's the Rabbi Orlofsky Show. It's the Rabbi Orlofsky Show. It's the Rabbi Orlofsky Show.